Welcome back to Bioinfo Tips, and today we're talking about something extremely sensitive, removing outliers. If you ever deleted a data point because it looked wrong, this video is for you. The mistake is simple, deleting ugly data points without a predefined criterion. It looks suspicious, it ruins your significance, so you remove it. And that's exactly what reviewers are trained to detect. When you remove outliers without justification, it raises three flags: no predefined rule, no transparency, and increased statistical significance. It can look like data manipulation, it can look like p-hacking, even if that was not your intention. Critical line is removing outliers is not wrong, removing them without transparency is. So, what is the correct approach? First, predefine criteria. Your method section should state how outliers were identified. Secondly, use an objective method. In GraphPad, you can use the route test. It makes a robust regression and outlier removal, based on false discovery rate, the Q value. And third, report it. If you remove outliers, you must report which test you used, how many were removed, and ideally show analysis with and without them. Now let's go to GraphPad and show you how to do it. Once you have your data table, go to Analyze, identify outliers, select the route method, and then click OK. Now you can see which outliers were removed. Never forget that GraphPad doesn't know whether your data point is biologically real or a technical mistake. It will execute whatever decision you make. The reviewer will evaluate whether that decision was scientific. If you enjoy this type of content, please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which common mistakes should I address next. See you on the next video.